We've found over the years, especially since the 1980s, that manufacturing has not been treated as a viable career option, especially for young people. And high schools are not promoting it as an opportunity. So we are trying to run programming that gets not only high school kids, but also young adults exposed to what a manufacturing career could look like, especially advanced manufacturing, which is high tech, clean, high paying, solid job opportunities and job growth opportunity.
I think it's a question of perception and how we describe these industries to young people who are beginning to open their minds to the idea of careers. We think that there's an emerging opportunity here for young people to get jobs in an environment where they can grow and learn, and we can build new technologies and create the opportunities right here on Long Island. And we're going to urge young people to think about that as a career choice.
I didn't know when I was 17 or 18 that this was on Long Island, this was something you could get into. I'm a composites technician in the Navy area of GSE. We make parts for the Navy, for the submarines, and some of the larger composites here. I think it's always changing, and we're always going to be getting new jobs from the government. There's always going to be new procedures and things we have to learn and do.
Composites is like a good field to go in. It's very hands-on, like hands-on learning. Having people come in and actually see what we do, as opposed to people thinking we're like on an assembly line, like just milling things out. Like there's a lot of small details.
If an individual already is experienced in high performance coatings, the introductions of composites into those coatings will become very familiar to that individual. They will come in here and understand the language involved, the inspection process involved, the conditions, and also the application and surface preparation necessary for the coatings to achieve ultimate performance characteristics.
It doesn't matter where your skill level is, we train you up, we start with you. And if you do have some background and skills in composites, it'll just move faster for you, and they may be the next instructors that come up, so all of it works together.
We're really about ensuring that across the whole ecosystem, as it were, people are empowered with information, they have education, they feel inspired by the industry, they're encouraged to participate in it, and they're not afraid.
I do a lot of workforce development. And part of the myth I try to break, at least here on Long Island, is that do I need to have a college education in order to get a high-paying job to take care of my family? If you can learn a skill or a trade in these fields, you can definitely take care of your family. You can definitely have a career. I can encourage them that, hey, if you go into this field, this is a booming field right now. You would do well, give it a chance, and I know you can get it done.